Well, this month's actually Darkrai, isn't it? Or is it Arceus?
Arceus.
Oh, that's right, Darkrai.
But I happened to buy
Darkrai.
Darkrai, yeah.
So we're doing another box opening. As you can tell, it wasn't $25, it was actually 20 because it was on special.
No, because they had a
Special going.
no. They just opened up yesterday on Saturday.
Which one? Towers?
Yeah, Towers. The Zing at Towers opened up, so
yeah.
I got a discount.
Yeah.
Of course, you can keep the box.
Yeah. Of course. And please, guys, do not ask us for the codes because we keep them.
It's mine.
Yeah, we keep the codes.
You know, you can just wait. It opens from the side.
Yep.
Back to the action. Let's go.
Yeah, I know. I know I should be actually showing you tonight, but I don't know if there will be a stream tonight on Twitch. Here's the box.
I'll need to edit it first, so there we go.
Poster again, like last month.
Mhm.
Card.
Mhm.
Card.
Mine.
Which is his. Which is Naruto's. Pin.
Mhm. Yep, got it.
Okay. Blue or yellow?
Start with blue.
Okay. You might get something good inside.
Okay, you sure?
No, don't. Yeah, I just came back from about this and I'm tired as. And I'm opening cards.
You got a bunch of new cards, okay?
I know. But I did appreciate you from picking me up. We've got.
Yeah, you forgot to do your normal usual thingy, but
It's easier to do. There we go. Pick us on the back. Charmander. Machop. Maintenance. Fire Energy. Tangela. Zubat. Geodude. Reverse is Maintenance. Jirachi. And another Meowstic.
EX. Alright, cool. Now to Pikachu.
Yep. I told you you'd get something good in the Blastoise.
That means I won't get a full art card.
You never know.
Maybe.
Because the Darkrais were actually quite generous. Were to NFB. Okay. Three from the back. You got something good.
You felt it, didn't you?
Yup.
Alright, let's take a look then.
Got Esper, a Clement, Team Grunt,
Nice.
a Magikarp.
Yes! A
Energy,
Pikachu!
Pikachu, non-full art, Clefairy, revitalizes the reverse, a Frostlass, and a Mega Blastoise EX.
Cool, 2 EXs.
Other than Glade, that's my first EX I've pulled. My Omega Glade, Omega Pokemon. Okay, this month it's Arceus. Like last month, it was Shaman, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Last month was Shaman. Next month is Victini. We'll do another one when Victini comes out. And, well, there's the promo. Please do not ask us for the codes because we use them. Sort of. And if you want more unboxing videos, we're glad that you take donations for openings. Excuse you.
Sorry.
There's the card and the pin.
Uh-huh.
Card with 2 generations boosters. Whoops. There's the bottom. Boosters. Pin. There's the pin.
Yeah, put it among the others up there.
Yeah, we'll just put it down there for now. The code card, but no one's getting it because we use it.
Mm-hmm. That's a reference. Here we have.
Yeah, they're all the pins so far that we've got. Even though I've got my own Mew and Shaman.
Mhm.
But I don't have a Darkrai. I bought a Mew pin. There's the card. Again.
Yep. Okay. Now to open up
Sleeves. Do you have sleeves?
the pit. The book is behind. Cut. Wait a second. Not this one. The other one. No. Not this one. The Pikachu.
Got a Pikachu photo?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And of course, a beloved Eevee one.
Yes, which I'm jealous. Bless you. You can see. There's the stuff dress I cracked for you.
Yes.
I'm just putting this in anyway.
Just
so
put it in. Just put it in the pocket. I'll deal with it.
yeah. And there's the Mega Blastoise I cracked from the Shaman box.
Yes.
Okay. Which one? Red or green? Red or blue?
We'll go with blue first.
Blue? Okay.
We got Blastoise last time when you opened Blastoise, so let's see.
That is true.
Let's see what's behind blue one.
If it's a Blastoise, I'm taking it. If it's not Mega Blastoise, I'm having it. Okay?
We'll see.
As you can tell, generations don't have code cards. So it's 3 from the back for the trick. Okay. Okay. So far. Sorry. Got an Esper.
Mm-hmm.
Graveler.
Mm-hmm.
Pokeball. Jungle Slowpoke. No, not Jungle. Fossil Slowpoke, I mean. Sorry. Fossil Slowpoke. Darkness Energy. Ghastly. Krabby. Our reverse is Caterpie. A Sylveon EX.
Yes!
Sylveon EX. And a Rapidash. Someone's happy.
Yep. Alright, now open. Let's see what Charizard has to offer.
Yes, so now we're going to go for Charizard. Please leave the comments down below to see what we probably get.
What happened to my Flareon?
Everyone...
Didn't I have a Flareon? Oh no, that was online, I think.
Yeah, that was online. And yes, we're playing online as well.
Oh.
That's why we keep the code. That's why we keep the code. Oops. Okay. So here we go for the Charizard. Okay. You've got a full art.
Ooh,
I think.
you can feel the surface, can't you? Alright, let's put it on
You
the
got
thing.
two. You got two.
Well, just put it here, just
Okay,
so.
got a Charmander. Clefable. Machoke. A Ponyta to go with our Rapidash. Shelder. A Fairy Energy. Zubat. A Reverse Energy. A Flareon EX and a Vaporeon EX.
Oh my god! I've been holding on to this box for 2 weeks, you know?
I know.
And I've actually 3 evolutions in a... Wow.
No, that means you're just missing
Jolteon.
Jolteon and Leafeon.
Oh my god. That's so amazing.
Yeah, my first full art was actually the Flareon. For Generations.
I think I'll make 2 separate videos for the... One for the... We still haven't put up Darkrai yet, so...
Oh yeah.
I need to do something about that
Yeah.
later.
Yeah.
Alrighty, then that's it.
Yeah. Right, we don't have a Darkrai box yet.
No, we opened Darkrai last time.
Did we? I thought we did Shaman. Oh yeah, that's why we did Darkrai then Shaman then Darkrai. That's right.
Shaman was the last one.
Yeah.
We already did Darkrai, so...
So